Diving into the world of sports cameras opens up a thrilling way to capture life's adventures like never before. Imagine strapping a tiny, rugged camera to your helmet as you mountain bike through stunning landscapes, or attaching it to a surfboard to catch those epic waves, all in stunning, high-definition clarity. These cameras are built tough to withstand drops, dives, and dirt, ensuring your memories are preserved no matter how extreme the journey. Plus, with features like image stabilization, you'll get smooth footage that's a joy to watch, not shaky like smartphone videos can be. And the best part? There's an action camera for everyone. Stick around till the end, and you'll find the perfect action camera that matches your needs. For more information on any of the sports camera in this video, please use the links in the description box down below. These links are updated daily for the best prices, deals, and product availability. Insta360 Ace Pro. Best for creative angles. Product number 5 on my list, which I've chosen as the best for creative angles, is the Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro boasts an astonishing ability to capture 360-degree footage, making sure you never miss a moment, whether it's a breathtaking landscape or a chaotic birthday party. It's equipped with flow-state stabilization, turning bumpy rides into smooth cinematic experiences. Think of it as having a Hollywood-grade Steadicam strapped to your helmet. The Insta360 Ace Pro stands out primarily for its innovative design and features that cater to creative filmmakers and adventure enthusiasts alike. It's a premium action camera that boasts a 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a 5nm AI chip, enhancing image quality significantly by capturing more light and reducing noise, especially in low-light conditions. This is a game-changer for those who venture into the wild or prefer to shoot during the golden hours of dawn and dusk. One of the Ace Pro's most lauded features is its Leica Summerit lens, bringing legendary optical design and advanced imaging to your fingertips. This ensures that every shot you take, regardless of the environment, is nothing short of spectacular. The camera's ability to record 4K at 120 fps allows for stunning slow-motion footage, while its active HDR mode ensures vivid colors and contrasts in every frame. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen is a notable addition, offering more control and flexibility for framing shots from any angle. This, combined with the camera's magnetic mounting system, makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing for quick changes between setups without missing a beat. For those who dread the post-production process, the Ace Pro comes equipped with built-in AI that automatically generates highlights from your footage, ready to be shared via the Insta360 app. This feature alone can save hours of editing time, making it an invaluable tool for content creators on the go. Despite its many strengths, the camera is not without its drawbacks. The price point may be a barrier for some, especially when considering additional accessories that may be necessary for specific shoots. Additionally, while the camera is waterproof up to 33 feet and designed to withstand extreme conditions, some users have reported challenges with fogging under certain circumstances. DJI Action 4 is best for vlogging. Product number 4 on my list, which I've chosen as the best for vlogging, is the DJI Action 4. The DJI Action 4 is a powerhouse of a camera, designed with vloggers and action enthusiasts in mind. It offers a suite of features that make it a standout choice for capturing high-quality video content. The camera boasts a 1/1.3-inch sensor, ensuring stunning low-light performance, which is crucial for early morning shoots or late evening adventures. Its ability to shoot in 4K at 120 fps allows for buttery smooth slow-motion footage, adding a professional touch to any video. One of the DJI Action 4's most impressive features is its color performance, with 10-bit color and D-Log-M, capturing vibrant sunsets and sunrises with ease. The camera's durability is also noteworthy, designed to perform in temperatures as low as -20°C, -4°F, ensuring that no adventure is too extreme. The Action 4's wide 155-degree field of view immerses viewers into the scene, making it perfect for vlogging, where engaging the audience is key. Additionally, the camera's magnetic quick-release feature allows for easy switching between setups, facilitating creative shots and angles without the hassle. However, it's not without its cons. Some users have reported a learning curve with the DJI Momo app, which is necessary for accessing certain features of the camera. Additionally, while the battery life is impressive at up to 160 minutes, heavy usage, especially at higher resolutions, can deplete the battery quickly, so carrying spares is advisable. Insta360 One RS. Best for versatility. Product number 3 on my list, which I've chosen as the best for versatility, is the Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is a marvel of modern camera technology. It's a camera that truly stands out for its versatility, thanks to its unique modular design. This design allows users to switch between 360-degree lens and a 4K boost lens, making it suitable for a wide range of filming scenarios, from action-packed adventures to detailed vlogs. One of the most impressive features of the One RS is its dual 1-inch sensors, which provide exceptional image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This camera doesn't just capture moments, it does so with a clarity and depth that few others can match. With the ability to shoot 6K 360-degree video, the One RS offers creators the ultimate tool for capturing immersive content. Additionally, its 21-megapixel photos are seamlessly stitched together, providing stunningly detailed images. The camera also boasts flow-state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, ensuring that your footage remains smooth and steady, no matter the action. This is particularly beneficial for action sports enthusiasts who demand the highest quality video without the shake. However, the Insta360 One RS is not without its drawbacks. The high price point may be a barrier for some potential buyers. Additionally, navigating the modular system, while offering great flexibility, can be complex for new users. It's also worth noting that to get the most out of the camera, investing in additional modules and accessories is almost a necessity, which can further increase the overall cost. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Best affordable. Product number 2 on my list, which I've chosen as the best affordable option, is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is a standout for those seeking high-quality action cameras without breaking the bank. It's equipped with a revolutionary GP2 processor, which delivers faster performance, smoother touch control, and double the frame rate compared to its predecessors. This makes for incredibly fluid footage, a must-have for action-packed adventures. With the ability to shoot 5.3K video at 60 FPS and 23-megapixel photos, the Hero 10 Black captures crisp, clear, and vibrant content. The camera's high frame rate ensures smooth motion, perfect for slow-motion shots. Plus, with 8x slow motion at 2.7K, you can capture every detail of your action-packed moments. The Hero 10 Black also boasts Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization, providing gimbal-like steadiness without the actual gimbal. This feature is especially useful in challenging conditions, ensuring your footage remains stable and clear. Additionally, the camera's low-light performance and horizon leveling capabilities are significantly improved, making it versatile for all types of shooting environments. However, it's not without its cons. Some users have reported that the camera can overheat during extended use, particularly when shooting in high resolutions. This can limit recording times and require cooling periods, which might be inconvenient for continuous shooting scenarios. Additionally, while the Hero 10 Black offers impressive features, its battery life can be quickly depleted when using the most demanding settings, so carrying spare batteries is advisable. GoPro Hero 12. Best overall. Product number 1 on my list, which I've chosen as the best overall, is the GoPro Hero 12. Imagine strapping a tiny superhero to your chest, one that captures your every move with cinematic flair. That's the GoPro Hero 12 for you. The GoPro Hero 12 elevates the action camera game to new heights. It comes bundled with a 50-in-1 accessory kit, a 128GB storage card, and a rechargeable battery, making it a comprehensive package for adventurers and content creators alike. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 is its high-quality HDR imaging. Whether you're shooting in 5.3K or 4K, the HDR functionality ensures that both shadows and highlights are finely rendered, capturing every detail with cinema-like image quality. The capability to shoot up to 5.3K 60 video or snap photos at up to 27MP in RAW format means your content will be crisp, clear, and ready for any professional project. The Hero 12's compatibility with a wide range of sports cameras through its 50-in-1 accessory kit is a significant advantage. Whether you're diving, biking, or climbing, this kit has everything you need to secure your camera and capture the action. The inclusion of a high-quality 128GB UHSI microSD storage card and a Wave rechargeable 1720 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures you have the storage and power to keep shooting all day. However, there are a few cons to consider. The price point, while offering good value given the bundle and camera capabilities, may still be steep for casual users. Additionally, while the Hero 12 offers significant improvements in image quality and versatility, some users may find the vast array of settings and accessories overwhelming at first. So, which of these action cameras do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Subscribe to receive our newest videos. Catch you on the next video.